Alright, today I'm going to show you how to remove and replace batteries inside of a remote control. Right here I have a remote control. This happens to be made by a company called Sam Sewing. Alright, so Sam Sewing remote control right here. I'm going to take the batteries and replace them with different batteries. You may do this if your batteries are dead or running low and you want to make sure that you have proper functionality with your remote control. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead, typically look on the back. Now your particular remote control may be different, but on this one right here, and most of them that I know about, have the batteries located on the back. So once I do that, I'll find the cover, and on this cover there's an arrow, simply press down and push it that way. And once that is open and exposed, I'm going to go right here and I'm just going to go ahead and take the batteries out. This right here is, indicates how the batteries go in there. And right here, go ahead and take that out right there. And so it's important to note how you took the batteries out and put them in. If not, you'd have to go in here and read how the batteries are put in and put out. You see right here? Right here, there's a springy part, and the negative side or the flat side goes against that. And if you look right here, there is a plus, and that is the nipple side. And the nipple side goes in there. All right, so once you've taken out the batteries, you're going to get a fresh pair of batteries that go for your remote control. For this remote control, the batteries require AAA, and so I have two AAA batteries. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the flat side and put it in first, and it goes against the spring. And then I'm going to take the plus side or the nipple side, and that goes against the plus. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take it in, spring side, and then take this one, the spring side. And then I'm going to take my cover, place it on top. Take my cover like this, place it on top, and then slide it inwards until it snaps into place. And that is how you change the batteries on a remote control. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.